What's going on, people? What's going on, man? What's happening, man? It's your boy Nate here, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna talking about this crypto market crash. So something happened a few days ago. You know, while everybody was getting hype over that emotion reveal launch and all the other things that was happening, right? And I was battling the cold and stuff. The crypto market crashed and sunk like massively. So we're gonna take a look at what happened over the past few days, and it happened on Friday. We're now on Tuesday, so let's take a look at it. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, man. So let's get into it. Let's check it out. Let's see what happened in the crypto markets. I like to check my stuff out at coinmarketcap.com. Whoa, look here. Whoa. It looked like the crypto market went down to 3.85 trillion. The last time I checked it, it was actually at like 4 point something trillion. If you check, right, and you look at the chart, you will see that it was all the way up. And this is when I was really paying attention to it, right? So it was all the way up to 4.30 trillion. Literally at 10:06, it went up to 4.29, 4.30 trillion. You see, when I was paying attention to it around 4.16, but it really went up crazy, and for some reason I just kind of knew that it was gonna just drop because I haven't seen the market go this high in a long time. So I just knew that people were just gonna get greedy and just try to take their profits. I just knew that was gonna happen. So you look here, you see it went to 4.30, 6th, the 7th. And then by the time it hit the 9th, that's when we started to see some crazy downside. Literally on the 9th, the 10th actually, it said that the 10th it dropped down to 4.15, and then from 4.15 all the way down, all the way down. It's a big dip. See, the markets really went really high, and this is on a 30-day chart. So it went up all the way to 4.30 trillion. That was the peak of the market. All right, 4.30 trillion, and it was like hovering around there, 4.20, 4.18. You see, it was a lot of money being made right here. All of this is a lot of money being made. And then as you can see right there, check it, 10/10/2025. That was the day, right then and there, right there, 10/10. At 10 a.m. it was at 4.15, and suddenly right after, as the day went further, 11 a.m., by 12 p.m. it dipped all the way down to 4.3 trillion. That's pretty nuts. I was battling the cold, so I couldn't even around all these days I was fighting that little cold, so I couldn't even pay attention to see what's going on the portfolios and stuff. But wow, that's a big dip. So now we're all the way back down to 3.84. Bitcoin was at about let's check Bitcoin out. Bitcoin was at 120. Bitcoin was pretty high, man. Bitcoin was 125k, 125k, 10:06. Yeah, 125k was sitting nice. And when I saw it, and I was just like, well, damn, that's pretty high. It just flew up there. It dipped all the way back down to 108k. That is a massive, massive dip, man. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people made money. From the 10th going further, the money was made because it even though it went down to 108k, or even lower it could have been, but it went right back up to 115. So on that recovery, there you go. That was pretty good. That was good money right there. But this is pretty much a flash crash. A lot of people called it like the biggest liquidation event in the history of crypto or whatever. That's what people say. I definitely think that's a major dip. That's a super major dip though, for real though. It's a super major dip. Ethereum was like 4,500 going on 46, or it's 47 actually, 48. It was around there. Dipped right down. I saw it when I checked. I saw it was at like 3,800 or something like that. 37. XRP was close. Was around $3 when I checked on that. I checked like a day after the crash, and I saw that XRP was at like $2.30 something, $2.30 or whatever. You know, then we have Solana was like 180 or something. I know it fell further than that, but when I saw it, it was like $180, 170. I was just looking at it like, damn, these are some crazy discounts, man. And then right now, I would say it's a good buying opportunity for anybody who wants to buy in right now. I feel like people say it's gonna drop more, but I say that, you know, you can just like DCA, dollar cost average, in on this crash, because we haven't seen these prices for some coins. We haven't seen these prices all year. A lot of them been hovering in the high marks day by day, and it kind of finally went down to a level for the altcoins I'm talking about. For all these altcoins, you know, certain coins you've been waiting, and then as summer passed and fall, spring, then the numbers kind of stayed a little bit balanced. We had little crashes here and there, but this is a pretty, to see PEPE at like this number right here, 7,498, is pretty low. It was in the sixes, and I actually think it went to like 4 something on the day of the crash. I didn't see that. I saw that in the sixes, but even that's a good deal. Even right now is a good deal. But I personally don't know what's gonna happen next, and if anyone could tell you, then they're lying, because we're in a new cycle. So anything that we experience moving forward is new. No one truly knows what's gonna happen, but the best thing you can do is just watch Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin's at 113K. So right now, I would say, if you look right now at the fair and greed chart, you see that it's neutral. It's pretty much neutral. I'm pretty sure it was in the fair when it crashed, but like, it's neutral right now. So right now is a great buying opportunity. DCA. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but definitely don't go all in unless you're willing to like take on massive risk. So don't go all in on this stuff. You know, like, you can DCA, and you can, you know, fill your positions up, get your positions in a good spot, a good place, and really just keep doing that. But this is a crazy crash. You know, like, even a lot of altcoins still didn't even recover from. It's, you know, little by little. I say probably around November we might see some solid, stable recovery. But yeah, this is the crypto crash, man, of 2025. It's pretty nuts to see this stuff in real time. But that's what I was showing you guys. But yeah, I got some more videos coming out about crypto, like the basics, if you're interested in that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more crypto videos. You know, I'm working on a video right now, like the basics of crypto, to teach you guys, if you guys are not familiar with it. You'll learn the basics of crypto, what it is, and where you can actually go to find crypto if you want to buy. It's not financial advice again. So you do the stuff at your own risk, but yeah, there is money on the table. But so yeah, you know, like, if you want to learn more about this stuff, don't forget to follow the page. I'll be dropping more content about this stuff too. You know, for me, this is easy peasy, because I've been in the game for a while, so I can easily like teach you guys and show you guys a direction where to go. So yeah, look forward to that. I look forward to that, and I hope y'all do too. But look out for it. Look out for those drops, man. They're coming. And then we're gonna have more EUC content coming soon too. But right now, I want to touch base on some crypto for this week, and then like towards the end of the week, you might see some more EUC content coming. All right. So this is your boy Nate, and I'm checking out for the night, man. I gotta go fly real quick. I gotta go make a run. So yeah, you guys stay safe, man, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.